Hello everyone, I'm Shihao. Today, I'm presenting our work Please Be Nice Robot Responses to User Bullying, Measuring Performance Across Aggression Levels. Robots are integrating into every aspect of our lives. However, some bullying behaviors are happening. Various news and events have revealed this. Bullying robots is as immoral as bullying humans. Although bullying has been studied in Chi field for a couple of years, many of them treat bullying between human and robots as one-time cut-off relationship. In human science, bullying is a gradually developing process from thought to action which will lead to more than one bullying behavior. Our work explores how robots can respond to escalating human bullying by optimizing their responses. In the experiment, bullying behaviors are categorized into 4 types: nonverbal, non-physical, verbal only, physical only, and verbal physical bullying. We focus on verbal and physical reactive behaviors, combined with 3 reactive styles which are avoidant, empathetic, and defiant. We used Unity to develop virtual robots with language and body movement capabilities. We designed the robot in 6 different scenarios. All 6 scenarios are designed as an interactive non-linear script for users to experience. There were 38 participants in the formal experiment. Each participant had to go through 6 preset scenarios. We observed participants' spontaneous reactions in the contexts. We recorded objective and subjective data from users. Objective data included how many times participants endured before choosing to bully the robot, and frequency of bullying. For subjective data, we measured participants' tendency to stop bullying, degree of apology, and level of shame. We found that tolerance was higher for the first 2 bullying types. This suggests physical actions are an important trigger for users losing patience. We observed that when users chose to verbally bully the robot fighting back led to higher bullying frequency. In contrast, when behavior escalated to include verbal and physical bullying, the robot fighting back decreased bullying frequency. This makes us believe individuals repeatedly doing simple verbal bullying face less psychological, social, or moral pressure than individuals repeating verbal and physical bullying. It means these individuals more easily overlook potential impacts when verbally bullying, while individuals doing both verbal and physical actions may be more aware their behavior could be more harmful or moral. After that, we had 2 findings when measuring degree of apology. First, the robot showing an empathetic reaction style lead to a stronger tendency for humans to apologize. Second, with the robot using avoidant or empathetic reaction styles, a verbal response worked better than a physical response. However, with a defiant reaction style, the physical response lead to more regret. Finally, after measuring participants' shame levels, we found for the first 2 bullying types the empathetic reaction style lead to higher public shame. However, as users engaged in escalating physical bullying, anger overrode reason. The avoidant reaction style gave users time to reflect and self-regulate, shifting attention to social awareness. Importantly, no matter what type of bullying occurred, the empathetic reaction style led to a higher tendency to stop bullying compared to the other 2 reaction styles. User bullying of robots does not happen instantly, but gradually changes based on length of interaction, interactive mode, and users' patience levels. The experiment showed that when robots cannot meet users' needs and expectations, having humanized, empathetic, and interactive conversations can encourage users to reduce bullying behavior in public settings. Also, robots clearly stating they are against bullying in public places can somewhat encourage users to reduce bullying of robots. However, bullying itself is a complex issue, and users' emotions and personality also impact the interaction process. Thank you.